What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a small package. In this package we got a new AC lines. This car here, this is a 2019-20 Honda CR-V. It is using AC refrigeration, and if you have a r134y refrigeration, you're gonna need an upgrade of your AC machine. But I figured out a system. Vacuum is the way to do anything, so I'm gonna go get a knife from right here. So whenever you're recharging, I always recommend you do vacuum the system. So what I want to do is I want to use my machine to vacuum the system, and down the road I might be looking to getting a machine, but right now we got this package, so we got to work some magic because the customers are coming in. It's a hot summer day, so we got some adapters over here, so you guys could check that out. If you can see that right there, let me see if the camera sees it really good. There's a number on that right there. Got this from Amazon. So inside this little guy we have two little fittings. Comes with this little guy, and these fittings are adapter. Okay, there are adapters for our AC line, so we can put this onto our AC machine. And we got the low side, is what it look like, and we got the high side, and it looks the same thing. So they are different. They changed the fitting so it won't fit on it, but we're gonna make these fit on it. I'm gonna put this to the side, but you are gonna need gauges. Get out of here. So we got a box here, and inside of this we got a kit, and you guys are gonna see this firsthand today. So it's nicely well packed, and if you guys want to check that out, I'll put a link down below, but there's a number here if you guys need. X002K2Y747. That's the kit in here. There you go. SYS tool, professional factory since 2009. So in here, we're gonna open this together. In here, we got the gauges. Oh, what a coincidence! I didn't know it would come with this. So it comes with new fittings. So okay, so those will fit to my AC line. Yep. And in here we got the gauges in here. So this car has a bad AC. Brand new freaking car, but AC system is dying. So there you go. This is what we got, and I'm gonna just hang this here for now. We got complete line kit here. So here's the line. So this goes 3 lines. So the yellow one is the line you would connect your can to, pierce your can with. That would go in the bottom right here. So I am gonna have to get this guy in. We're gonna spin this really nice and get this guy in nice and tight. They got a seal on it, so they do have a seal on them. So we got the high side and we got the lower side. The phone always rings whenever I'm recording. The phone wanna ring. So we're gonna put this on next. Let's come closer to the camera. So this guy goes on next, just like that. So we can close or open. Okay, so we're gonna connect this to this car here, and we're gonna put this last one in here. And we're gonna put the AC on, and we're gonna see what kind of pressure. I just did it. The AC is not running good, so it's not making cold air for this customer. So it's known for bad compressors on these vehicles, and we will do a reading today. But there's my kit, and we'll do a follow-up video. We'll do. So I am gonna lock all these up, and so the other end, the blue line goes to the blue line here. And I'm gonna lock these up with my tools. The red one goes to the red one. we go. Believe in it. So they give you this extra tool in here. You got this extra tool to remove the valve high and low if you need to change the cord. So that's that. There you have it, guys. So there's my fittings, and that's the gauge. Should get it. It's only like 80 bucks. Thank you for watching my video. And then you can hang these lines just by connecting it to this little guy right here, just like this. Okay, first we gotta open it. Does it work? Should connect right in. Not sure why it's not connecting. Okay, that's just to hang it because there's no opening port there. So that's everything, guys. So thank you for watching. 80 bucks what I paid for this, everything, even those kits right there, the other two valves, and this is for the new system. And I'm not gonna look into spend $20,000, $15,000 into a new machine. So I'm gonna work with this. I'm gonna be doing cans, but I am gonna be whacking with the system. So you do need to get a pump, okay? So thank you for watching this video, guys, and hopefully you like this little guy. Works great. I'm gonna demonstrate this very soon on the follow-up video. Thank you for watching again.